Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way where you can find your reviews that you wrote in Amazon. So let's start. The first thing you want to do, each has been Amazon, go to your account and lists, click on your account, and right here you're gonna see ordering and shopping preferences, and here you're gonna see archived orders or profile. Click on profile. And when you be on profile, you're gonna see community activity, and here you're gonna see all the reviews. So you want to click on view activity and all activity, and you're gonna see reviews here. I don't have any reviews now because I just wrote one and they're going to review if my review is all right, but this is where you can find it. So again, you're gonna be here, and then you just click here on profile and community activity, view all activity, and you're gonna see it here. So thank you very much everybody for watching. Have a great day and goodbye.